Wrong way accidents are usually the worst type of accident to be in. And this is kind of obvious from a common sense standpoint. Think about, going one direction at a certain speed, someone coming at you from the other direction in a certain speed. That's certainly going to create a speed of impact that is much higher than going one way and hitting a stationary object. You see these types of situations a lot when it happens on a one-way street, or perhaps someone's going the wrong way on a one-way, or even, swerving in the road and coming into oncoming traffic. Another type of accident where this happens is sometimes on the freeway, where you're just, minding your own business, driving, and then someone comes over the median and essentially hits you because you can't avoid them or you didn't see them. Like I said, usually these are the worst types of accidents. You have devastating injuries, and one of the main factors involved in this is, why did the person cross to the other side and hit you? Whether it be over a median or going the wrong way, there's always a question of, what is this person doing? Is it because of a medical emergency? Did they have a heart attack? Were they on their phone? Were they drunk? Usually it's one of these, and generally I would say it's either distraction or intoxication. There's not a really good way to defend yourself against this type of accident, other than to try as much as you can to pay attention. When you're on the highway, use your peripheral vision to see, if someone's coming at you, and then you can make a defensive maneuver to get out of the way. But sometimes that's not possible. And if you've been left with injuries that are, severe, and generally you will be, it's important to make sure that you get a hold of an attorney to help you out. There's a lot of benefits that you can receive as a result of being hit head-on, not just for your pain and suffering and your medical bills, but also lost wages and certain types of care. And so if you've been in this accident, or you know someone who's been in an accident, it's important to make sure that you know what your rights are and that you contact an attorney to help you. That way you can get on with the rest of your life and hopefully get the compensation you deserve for the negligence of the party that hit you going the wrong way.